Gotta run. Fireworks. Ooh, there's another one over
Oh,
there.
look, fireworks over there.
They're copying us. Ow! Mosquito. Gross. It didn't work.
Fucking dud. Not enough gunpowder in that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
See, you got it the right
Oh.
fucking way.
Danny, get inside.
Oh my god!
My pool!
Get away! Oh my god. There we go. Nanny, you run inside. God, that scared me. Jesus. God, Sean.
Alright.
God.
Told you, wake up.
Better not wet in the pool.
Wake up.
He needs light.
God, that was scary. Nanny peeking.
Stinks.
I know, because you put it the wrong way. This time, don't put it the wrong way. This better not be the wrong way. Oh! God, that scared me. That's
We
it?
have this one.
That's it? That scared me.
No, I think there's like one down.
Oh, God. Ugh. The first one was, the second one was scary. Captain. What? Yeah, what? This better not be the wrong way. I'm getting ready to run. I think that's the wrong way. Woo! God.
My pool, it looks so pretty. I know, it looks cool.
Looks pretty. Really? You're lighting that in your hand? Woo. Woo. Really, too? That was a fail. Ooh. Christmas colors. Oh! Woo! Party!
Jonathan, he's like, yeah.
Marty's gonna be all.
That's it.
Was that the big one?
The big one was on the ground.
Yeah, the one that you fucked up.
No.
That one that I just did.
I can't believe I got it on video.
On the wick first.
Shit.
Do that somewhere else over there.
Look at it even showing.
I'm not getting hit by lightning.
Wait on the post.
I mean, not lightning. Fireworks. Of course there's more. There's a big ass box.
Get those ones that
Tanisha.
the smaller ones.
Get inside.
What about those Roman candles?
Who's that person?
It's Skipper. Not all of them, let's
Oh.
do like.
Hurry up.
You guys could even do these.
Nuh-uh. You're right.
That's Skipper? Yeah. I accidentally videoed it.
Oh, okay.
Accidentally.
I know.
By the pool. Oh, wow.
Fail.
Starts the fire.
Boring.
Those ones you can hold in your hand.
No. Jonathan's standing there like, yeah.
I'd laugh if it fell in the pool.
Sean. That's it.
I'd laugh if it was
I think some of these are from Dollar Store.
Here.
If you get them at Dollar Store, I'm pretty sure I'll get a lot of them.
The other one's got them.
Oh, those ones are
Those are gonna be loud. They're gonna be loud.
Oh, this one. Right.
Is that the Dancing Devil?
It's gonna be loud.
Is that the Dancing Devil?
Dancing devil.
Well, whatever it's called, Devil something. No. They're gonna be loud.
Auntie, what? Little lighter?
They're gonna be loud. I might fall off this porch. Oh my God, Tanisha.
Hey, you guys, watch out my pool. Thank you.
My wisdom tooth hurt. Woo, Jesus.
Ah!
Did that blow up? Sounds like someone got shot. Is this one loud? It's gonna make me cry. That's the wrong way. Jesus. That's it?
Here.
That it.
Fuck, all the dogs are barking.
That one was loud and short.
Thing's already on.
It's my mom.
These are not even buttons.
Me neither. But I'm still itchy. That was scary. Run, nigga, run! Ooh. Wow. Fail. How gay is that?
I know. More here.
That was a fail.
And then there's these ones. I think they go on.
What?
Oh,
What?
Is that it?
Oh, it's cold.
Do them right there, right in the middle.
And I'm right here.
Yeah, not near my pool.
Oh my God, Tanisha. Every firework you're gonna say not near my pool.
Yeah, make sure you just burn every pool.
Ha! Or its house. Or him. This one's gonna be scary. If this is the wrong way. Ugh! Mosquito. Am I like the only loud one here?
Okay, bye. Not Finn. Dustin.
Move out of the way. I'm gonna cry.
Is there any more?
Do that on the road.
That was a good one.
That was scary.
That was the last one?
There's another spin one right here.
We only got those spinners.
Shannon, let's just do all of them.
Oh my God, on the road? Really?
The other one.
Just say
We're-
it like a tube. Oh my god!
On the front yard.
Shit myself.
Where are we going? What's happening? What's going on?
Oh my god.
No, that's all they do.
Four-wheeler.
I was gonna come right towards you. I was fucking hit you in the eye.
Watch the cars.
Yeah, really.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Why are you doing it on the road?
Because you're supposed to spin and dance.
Well,
I sure didn't do it.
Say something later on.
Yeah.
So we're done?
You don't want to do
We're all done?
We have a few more. We should go up to Rock Quarry now and see if they can see us do them.
Yeah.
Want to?
Cool.
Wait.
Now that you know what they do and stuff like that.
Always keep the fuse up.
Well, are we done? Are we done?
How many is there?
Are we done?
you get my charger, Shane?
Are we done?
Are we still going up to Rock Quarry or not?
I don't know what the hell we're doing. There's still some left. Are we all done doing them? Okay.